All right, I'm back in the NewEdge, driving it around, and I got a bad injector. I'm sure of it. So fuel injectors, guys, give me your recommendations on what the best price. And I don't need a super performance. I don't want this car to be like flying around the streets because my daughter's getting it, Sarah. Rachel's holding out for the 5th gen, or maybe the 6th gen. You never know. So give me advice on fuel injectors for a 2000 NewEdge 3.8. I'd appreciate it, guys. Hope all is well. We're taking the NewEdge around all day today. We're going to give the old lady a rest. That's a joke because the car is 55 years old. Anybody that's over 55 years old, I'm over 55 years old, is a joke. I'm calling myself old, so don't take offense. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys and the support that you've been sending through PayPal. We're very grateful.